Hey everyone! Today we have an incredibly useful topic we're diving into. How to get rid of dog smell without giving your pooch a bath. Trust me, it's a lifesaver for those busy days or when you're dealing with a dog who just hates water. Let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the source. First things first, you need to identify where the smell is coming from. It could be your dog's bed, favorite corner, or even their toys. If you can identify the source, you can target your cleaning efforts more effectively. Step 2. Air it out. Open up your windows and let fresh air circulate throughout your home. The EPA recommends increasing ventilation as an effective way to remove indoor pollutants, including pet odors. Step 3. Prepare a DIY cleaning solution. You'll need a spray bottle for this. Fill it with a mixture of white vinegar and water, using a 1-to-1 ratio. Vinegar is excellent for neutralizing odors, and it's backed by research from the Journal of Environmental Health in 2010. Step 4. Spot test. Before you go spraying this mixture all over the place, make sure to spot test it on a small, hidden area. Wait for a few minutes to make sure it doesn't discolor or damage the fabric. Step 5. Spray away. Put on some rubber gloves and spray your DIY cleaning solution on the source of the smell. Let it sit for a few minutes, but don't let it dry out. Step 6. Apply baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the area. According to the American Chemical Society, baking soda is effective at absorbing odors. Step 7. Vacuum. After letting the baking soda sit for at least 15 minutes, vacuum it up. Make sure your vacuum cleaner has a clean filter for maximum efficiency. Step 8. Use dry shampoo or cornstarch. Apply some dry dog shampoo or cornstarch on your dog's coat. Rub it in thoroughly and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This method is even recognized by veterinarians like Dr. Marty Becker for its effectiveness in cleaning a dog's coat. Step 9. Brush and towel. Use a brush to remove any leftover dry shampoo or cornstarch. Then, use a clean towel to rub your dog down, which can remove additional odors and excess oil. Step 10. Optional essential oils. As a final touch, you can spray a mixture of water and a few drops of pet-friendly essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. This will give your dog a fresh scent. Just remember, some essential oils can be toxic to dogs, so consult your vet beforehand. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide on how to get rid of that dog smell without resorting to a bath. Remember, these methods are effective but should not replace regular bathing and grooming. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Until next time.